it's me again, MJ Live. Today's video, we are unboxing. And we are unboxing a watch. This unboxing is already it's already open. But because you didn't see it, so we will take it up and get it out. Yeah. So this is made in China. And this is called Stardust. This watch is, they have a card inside and this is their authenticity. Thank you for your purchase. And Stardust watches.com. They have an Instagram. You can see they have Instagram. They also have a Facebook. And then once you bought it, they give you a 10% discount. And then 10% off your next purchase. Could bring a friend 10. Called. Yeah. Tag our Instagram for a repost like that. And then they have some discount. Yeah, they have discount. And then if you want to earn points, if you want to earn money on this product, just join Brandbassador and invite a friend. Like if you want to join on I will put down the link. I will put the link down below. Yes, in the link down below. I will put down the link below so that you can join if you like to join, and if you like to earn some points, if you also like to earn some money. So now we will. This is the bag. This is not in the box, so don't expect that this is in the box. This is just in the plastic. But we will check the watch. So this is the watch. I bought this $16. Yeah, I think $16. And the original price is $50. And then I have 50% discount. So if you want to have a 50% discount, just go to the description and I will put the link below, and then you can earn some. And then if you want a discount code, I will put down below. And this is the watch. It's adjustable. You can take it off. You can put it in. And this is magnetic. It's magnet. So when you want to put in your arms, in your wrist, I mean, it's like this. It's adjustable, and then you just put this into your wrist. And then this is the watch. As you can see, it's beautiful. This is the color blue. I like different colors, so I just choose blue. So when I will wear my blue clothes, I will put this. See. And you can adjust if you like, and then you can put it in. Yeah. And the good thing on this is it's lightweight. It's not heavy than the other watch. And then they have an Instagram and Facebook that you can check if this is real, or this is what is the advantage or disadvantage of this watch. So I will put the link down below so that you know if you want to join and if you want to see their other products, because they have a lot of products in their shop. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell below for another update of my video if you want to see me more. And bye bye.